Let's recap a fun box, y'all. Welcome. I am Christina. I am a part-time reseller on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, The RealReal, and I love doing these weekly recaps for y'all because I unbox so many rescue boxes from Thredup on this channel. So weekly, I try to bring you a recap of what I've actually made off of some of these boxes. Some boxes I lose money, some boxes I break even, and it's always great when I make a profit. So one of my favorite Thredup boxes to do is the fun box. And I don't know, I guess it's just because you never really know what you're going to get. And I've gotten some amazing items in fun boxes before. I did a video about 4 months ago where I unboxed a fun box, and it was like one of my favorite fun boxes. Didn't necessarily have the biggest ticket item in it, but I love the fun boxes that are a big variety of items where you get a lot of different kinds of things. And this box was great. The title of that video was "This is Why I Love Fun Boxes." So today we are going to recap that fun box. If you didn't see that video, or maybe you're new here, welcome. And I will link that video above if you want to go watch it and actually see the items that I'm pulling out of the box. There are a few items from this box that haven't sold. Some of them I didn't list for sale, and I haven't done anything with them yet. So on those items, if you're interested in purchasing, I will give you a price. You can email me at stinaresells@gmail.com if you wanted to purchase the item directly. And there's details in the description if you want to do that. And so I have a few items. I'm going to show you the screenshots of what I've sold or what's listed. And then I also have a few items I'm going to offer from the box here in person that I didn't list. So let's get into it. If you're not familiar with the Thredup Fun Box, you get 10 miscellaneous items, and the box is $34. Now, last summer, Thredup changed the way that they were doing the shipping on their rescue boxes. They do charge $9.99 for shipping. I have paid that sometimes, but I've always made sure to use my credit. So on this box, I think this was before they started doing the credits. So this is either an older box when they still had the VIT free shipping in place, or it was a box that I got free shipping on. So we're just going to base our cost of goods off of the actual value of the box, because I'm unsure with all the changes exactly what I paid for the box, whether it was with or without shipping, or if I used a credit or something like that. So let's get into it. The first item that was in this box was actually a passport case, and this is one that I didn't list. So if anyone is interested in this, I will give it an offer for sale. I think this is really cool. It looks like the actual cover of a U.S. passport, right? It says United States of America. It's in like a faux leather. The only thing with this one is there's a few like indentations here. So I was kind of wondering, and maybe like a couple scuffs. I was kind of wondering if maybe a little puppy got a hold of this and like put a few little dents in there. But there's the passport cover. It seems, besides those little indentations, unused. And it's got a place for like ID, cards, and then of course to put your passport. This I never listed, which is why I'm showing it to you. So if anybody is interested in this, I will do this for $3. And then of course plus shipping. Again, the details for that are down in the description. But for the purposes of the recap, this item is a $0. The next item that was in the box was a bra, which is super common to get in the fun boxes, some sort of, intimates piece. There are always new tags, and this one was no different. This was by the brand Olga, and it was one of those Cami bras that looks like you're wearing a tank top, but it's actually just a piece of fabric that goes across the bra. This was new with tags, of course, and did sell on eBay for $20. I was very happy with that. After my like little fees and everything I have to pay back to eBay, it was about a $17 walk away with that one. So very happy with that. The next item that was in the box was For me, probably the best piece in the box, and it hasn't sold yet, y'all. But it was a piece of activewear, and it was an Athleta dress, new with tags. It is sleeveless, it's in a navy, and it's got kind of a, in certain areas, like a perforated pattern on it. Very cute. It is in a size small. That hasn't sold. For the purposes of the recap, that's a 0. I do have it listed for $50. The retail on this is $98. And so I listed it at about half of what it would retail for. So if anyone's interested in the dress, I would do that for $20. The next item that was in the box was another little activewear thing, and it was a Lululemon kind of maroon, I don't know, it wasn't really maroon, plum. Yeah, scrunchie. It was like a double ridge scrunchie, and then it had kind of the reflective edging on it. Very cute. Not new with tags. And I was going to originally bundle this with another Lululemon like headband or something I had, but I ended up listing it individually, and it sold on Poshmark for $10. So after the fees, I got $8 from that. The next item that was in the box was by the brand Margot, and Kristen D talks about Margot a lot. She loves selling the bags, and I used to own a Margot purse, and the leather is just so soft on those. Great quality bags. This was new with tags. It was a Margot tassel, so it was a very large blue leather tassel. It didn't have a price listed on the tag, and I don't remember what I listed it for. It might say on the pop-up that I'm putting up on the screen. I want to say maybe I listed it for like $15, but I took an offer on eBay. Somebody sent me an offer for $5, and honestly, I hadn't had a lot of interest in it, and so I went ahead and took the $5 offer, and so my portion of that after the fees was $4.09. The next item that was in the box, now that Margot tassel was in like a bubble pouch with this other item, so they were kind of like together. And this was a Kendra Scott. Oh my goodness, how great to get in a fun box. A Kendra Scott Everlyn cord friendship bracelet in abalone blue. So the bracelet part, it was like a adjustable, looked like friendship bracelet because it had kind of like the string, and then it had little tassels hanging down, and then it had the stone right here. It was in the Kendra Scott dust bag. This I was able, that's the great thing about Kendra Scott, is you can usually through Google Lens figure out the name of the particular design that you get. So I was able to find the name, had it listed. I did sell it on eBay for $18. So my portion of that was $14. The next item that was in the box was this pair of fashion sunglasses, kind of in the oversized. They remind me kind of Chanel with the way that the lenses are with the shape of the glasses. And then there's rhinestones around the edge here and here. Same on this side. They're in a dark brown, and then you have kind of the graduated lens. They're in really good shape. I don't see any scratching, probably like a new without tag situation. No branding on these at all. I kind of thought that they were something, but I couldn't figure out what they were, so I didn't list them. And so if anyone's interested in these, I would do these for $3. For the purposes of the recap, that's a 0. The next item that was in the box was also one that I chose not to list, and it's this really adorable pebbled faux leather. Really cute. I mean, I guess it's a wristlet. It's also kind of like a wallet. You open it like this, right? And it's a hardcover wallet. So you have a strap here where you can, slide something under, bills or whatever. And then you have a couple pockets here, change pouch, and then you can insert bills there. I don't think this has ever been used. It's in impeccable condition, but I couldn't find any information about it. And so I just never listed it. There is a little bit of wear here on the part that you use to open it. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's a little bit of wear there on the clasp, and it looks like it might need a little wipe right there. But overall, in really good shape. So if anyone is interested in this, we can do this one for $3. Okay, so that's $0 for the purposes of the video. The next item that I pulled out of the box was a pair of J. Crew Factory hot pink slippers. And these were new with tags, which was awesome. And these sold so fast. I think when I listed them, it was like either early fall or late summer. So it wasn't necessarily the season that people are buying slippers like crazy. They just sold really quickly. Somebody snatched them right up. They did sell on Poshmark for $13. My portion of that was $10.50. I never list stuff for $13, so I'm guessing someone sent me an offer. I probably had them listed for $15, and someone sent me a $13 offer. So that was awesome. I was happy to send those out and get those sold. So that was great. So J. Crew slippers, new with tags. Yes, please. Those sold so fast. Okay, the next item that was in the box was this scarf. And I remember looking for a tag on this because it is so pretty. And y'all know I love scarves. It's in a purple and a blue and a pink. And it's got this almost like Paisley / mandala print on it. It's really nice. It's in great shape. And it's got the tattered edge. There is no tag on this, so I do not know what it's made of, but I do think it is cotton. It's soft and it's breathable. So I can't guarantee that, but I think that that's what this is made of. Unbranded, but great condition, beautiful scarf, $3 on that one. Purpose of the video, $0. Okay, so then the last item that was in the box was also great. It was a Vera Bradley bag. It was called the Iconic Microfiber Blue Tote. And so it's a solid color on the outside and this really pretty kind of periwinkle blue. And then the inside has like a flowered print, lots of pockets. If you want to go through and see the bag up close, you can go to my Poshmark closet or watch the original unboxing. It's in great condition. I don't know that it's ever been used. It doesn't have tags on it, but it was clean. I didn't see really any signs of wear on it. So that one is in great shape. That one has not sold. So for the purposes of the video, that's a $0. I do have it listed in my Poshmark closet for $35. So if anyone's interested in that, I could do $15. So anyways, those are the items that have sold. So maybe I sold about half of the box. My total revenue to date is $66. And then when you subtract out the cost of the box and then the fees and commissions and stuff like that I had to pay out, my total profit to date is $19.59. I'm super happy with that because I feel like one of my biggest winners in this box, which is the new with tags Athleta dress, hasn't sold yet. So once that sells and then maybe the Vera Bradley bag or something like that, I will definitely have made a great profit on that. I just love fun boxes. This was one of my recent favorites that I've opened. And I'm just going to continue to open them for you guys. I believe I have a fun box unboxing coming later this week. So make sure you stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I would love to have you. You just have to hit the subscribe button and then a little bell notification if you want to be notified of when the videos come out. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know what your favorite item from the box was. And I will see y'all tomorrow for another unboxing. Bye, y'all.